Okay, this lesson we're going to learn about Google Colab. It's a free Python development environment, and we will be using it for the project this term. To get started, open LMS, Chapter 5, Section 2, Additional Resources, and select Link 1. You will need a Google account to use Google Colab. Select New Notebook. This is the title of our notebook. You could change this by clicking on it. Do not change the extension IPYNB. And our first activity is Expo 2020. If you return to LMS, you will find a skills guide. This is our skills guide. And it runs us through the environment, the layout, our first activity is example 5.2.1. We've already selected new notebook. We're going to print Expo 2020 in this pattern. So we enter the text here. This requires a little bit of coding knowledge. We're going to use a for loop. Remember the colon. And to run this, we simply select the arrow. This is looping through the word Expo 2021. That is saved automatically. You can close that down. The next time that you open the additional resources and select link 1, you will see that your new project has been saved to your Google Drive.